Hey, what's up guys? Pacific Automobiles here today. And today we're going to be looking at this pimped out 2004 Toyota Camry. This is Pimp My Ride Broke Edition. And today I'm here with
Jackson Bell from Jackson's Rides.
Today we're going to be showcasing his Camry. Let's start. The first step to pimping your ride out on a budget-friendly, cost savings idea is aerodynamics, of course. What do you think, Jackson?
The best way to improve your aerodynamics is a spoiler. Not just any spoiler, a pimped out wooden one. That costs $0.
That's right. We used all the school's material to build this, paint this, and now apply this to the trunk. He'll gain about 5 miles an hour when he's going through turns, because this will apply downforce.
Yeah.
Another thing that is awesome is maybe you locked yourself out of your car. Oh no, how do I get my car? That's what this doohickey's for. As you can see, you apply string and tie the key right into the door handle, so you'll never lose your key. As you can see, he's using precision marksmanship to get this thing on. Bodywork at its finest. All right, can you show us the structural integrity of this thing?
Look at that.
Active adjusting, active arrow right there. We did make the badges gold, right?
Right.
But we took off the LE because we don't want people to know that this is a luxury edition.
Right.
This just is a regular Camry, a pimped out Camry. Not to mention, you have the two-tone paint here.
Huh?
Two-tone paint.
Oh, that's cute. Hi, buddy.
The engine, we got a completely stock high mileage Toyota engine here with the variable dial timing. This baby will get you up to 55 in how many seconds you think?
6 or 7.
Yeah, about there.
If you don't want the ugly blue tape, you can replace it with black tape. I can't afford black tape, so I'm using blue tape. Still gets the job done though.
And look, it just applies to the two-tone paint job here. Blue, blue, blue. Not to mention the awesome sound system. Jackson, can you explain what happened here and why those are so...
My sister was playing some not good music with lots of bass, and it blew the plastic out of the speaker.
That's how you know that you got some good speakers, when it explodes the coverings.
Should we get a sound check on the exhaust?
Sound check. Oh yeah. Now, to fully customize your interior, first thing you need is 2 floor mats. Why do you need 2 floor mats? One for show, one for work. You get in, you don't get your under floor mat dirty, just your top one. You got stickers to accent your style and brand. Down here, look at that. What else is there?
That's about it. Oh, did you show off my sick rims?
Oh yeah, the rims. And let's do the quick release hood latch here.
Sure.
Quick release. Look at that. Open the hood right up.
Oh.
And not only does he have that quick release, but he has the best tires ever. Armstrong. When you roll with these babies, 0 road noise, maximum traction. And on these, what type of rims are these here?
I don't know, but they're aftermarket.
They're aftermarket, and they actually look kind of sick on this thing.
I know, right? Dude, you know what I was thinking? I white out the Armstrong so you can like see it.
There's another idea. You can see overall, this Camry is probably one of the best out there. You even have a active aero front bumper.
Oh my God.
That just needs to be reattached. And everything else is honestly
Oh, it's even fingerboard approved.
Fingerboard approved? Hold on. Get some sick shots.
Oh.
And now we have our live audience members. We're going to see the reaction to this mod. Multiple mods here. All right, guys. What is your reactions here at this modified Toyota Camry?
Is it sick, bro? I wouldn't go there. It's sick. It's what?
Not it's sick. It's like when you see.
What'd you say under your breath?
It's like when you see a girl, and they're like really fat.
Yeah, but
and
she's
they're really
useful
into
though.
you.
Yeah,
She's
maybe she's
not
not
useful
hot,
for-
but she can cook and clean.
Yeah, I was gonna say she can sure
Yeah,
cook.
but she makes raw chicken for 3 little.
No, she goes for like 300,000 miles and then some.
You know what Justin Ivy told me the other day?
Tune in next time for episode 2 of Pimp My Ride, Broke Edition.